Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got something really cool for you guys. But before I get started, I just want to, as always, shout out to all of my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much, because I really do appreciate everything you do, all of your liking and subscribing and your thumbs up, and just your general interaction with the channel always does help out, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you are new to this channel, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, because liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you want to check out my website at davethewatchman.com, you'll see that I do showcase the watches that I do review on this channel and provide watches of interest, so you guys can click on those links. Head on over and pick these watches up and wear them for yourself. They are affiliate links, so they do not cost you anything to click on them, but they do send a couple of dollars over to me, and that is very much appreciated. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. I was going to do a video on, I had a question from a viewer that wanted to know the difference between the Arlanch watch and the Olevs watch. I am a really big fan of Olevs. I do have quite a few Olevs watches. I do love them. They are great watches, great quality watches for a really good price. And I also have some Arlanch watches. And I know this is a Pepsi Cola version and this is a bluesy version of the same type of watch. But the quality on these two watches is not really too much different. When you look at the watch itself, very beautiful watch, nice, stunning display. Everything works great on these watches. When you hold them side by side, they're very similar. The Arlanch watches, though, and specifically the viewer wanted to know which one was better. Well, for me, it's hard to say which one is better. I am a fan of the Olevs watches. I know they have a lot of different designs. Arlanch, I don't believe, has the same amount of designs, but their watches themselves, very good quality watches for the price. You're not even going to believe the price on these watches. When I tell you these watch prices, especially right now on sale, you're not even going to believe it. But I mean, I was actually surprised when I popped on the website this morning to pick up the link, because I will post links to these watches for you guys in the description below, so if you want to head on over and pick them up. But the Arlanch watches, I do notice, are a little bit smaller in diameter. Quality is about the same, maybe a little bit less for the Arlanch. The price is a lot different between the Olevs watches and the Arlanch watches. The Olevs watches are a bit more expensive, but I will post a link to this watch as well in the description below, so you'll have a link to both of these watches. But the focus of this video was supposed to be to compare these two watches, but after I saw the price this morning, I decided to change the focus of the video. The watch that I'm going to talk about mostly is going to be the Arlanch, and obviously we're talking about a Hardlex mineral crystal with a date display. It's got the Mercedes emblem on the hand. It does have a rotating bezel. It is a 1224 bezel as opposed to a minute bezel, so it's not a dive bezel. I believe it had 3-bar water resistance on this thing. But they do have a couple of different styles of this watch. They've got this is the Pepsi Cola version. They've got the green Hulk version. There's a blue version and there's a black version. And that's what they have available on Aliexpress right now. But guys, the price on this thing is absolutely amazing, especially right now, just before Christmas. You guys might want to head on over and pick them up. You can get the first watch. There's an exclusive deal on AliExpress right now, and the price is an amazing $2.43 for this watch. I have never seen it this price, but $2.43 right now. It's an exclusive offer, 88% off. And for that price, I've gone into the website and I added all of them to my cart: the black one, the blue one, the green one, and obviously I already have this one. But if you add them all to your cart, you're going to pay about $10 for each one, so $30, and $32.43 gets you 4 watches. So if you want to start a decent watch collection, budget-friendly watch collection, definitely head on over and grab that deal, that Aliexpress. I will post a link to this in the description below, so you can head right on over and grab this offer as soon as it, while it still lasts. But guys, it's about a $10 or a $12 watch normally. Like I said, you can pick these up for $10.43, but the first one is going to be $2.43. So you're saving $8 on the first watch. And I know you're thinking, God, what can you get for $2.43? Well, it's a nice watch, guys. I have worn this thing out. It's beautiful. It's got a nice tight link. The links are nice and tight. It's, like I said, 3-bar water resistant. This watch I've probably had for about 6 or 7 months. It's never failed. I've worn it quite a few times. It is a beautiful watch, and you will get some compliments on it, and it doesn't feel cheap in your hands. That's the other thing about it. But guys, for $2.43, I mean, come on. This thing's $2.43 for the first one, and then you get the rest of them for $10.40 something. It's a no-brainer, especially if you're looking for Christmas presents, or you're looking for something, like I said, to start off a small watch collection, a budget-friendly watch collection. These are not the typical $2 watches that you'll find, that you'll see. If I've done some reviews on some really, really horrible low priced watches, $2, $3, and this is not one of them. So this is literally a sale price, where they have literally slashed the price on this watch. But normally about $10 to $12 to pick one of these things up. Really, really nice watch. To compare it to the Olevs does have the minute dial on it, as opposed to the 1224 dial. So it's a little bit of a different type of watch. It also has that crown there. The Olevs logo is a crown, so it is similar to a higher end luxury brand, where the Arlanch just says the name Arlanch. But other than that, about the same quality. I think the Olevs feels a little bit heavier in the hands, but not much. And I think that would probably be mostly based on the fact that it is a little bit larger of a watch. But other than that, I think they're both about the same quality. Like I said, a little bit smaller on the Arlanch features. The hands are a little bit smaller, but it does represent, it does have that same Mercedes emblem logo, or a Mercedes-like emblem logo. I don't want to get in trouble for brand dropping. But other than that, really nice Pepsi-Cola design of a higher end luxury brand. Really, really nice watch. Great price on it right now. You can head on over. I'll put that link. You just click on that link and head right on over. Hopefully that offer lasts a little bit, so you guys can head on over and grab it. But even if it doesn't, $10 for this watch. You can pick up all 4 colors for $40. And that will start a decent little budget-friendly watch collection. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should ever have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please thumbs up, like, and subscribe. It always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And once again, check out that website, davethewatchman.com, where you can see all the watches that I have posted and watches of interest, and click on those links and pick some of those up and wear them for yourself. So if your goal is to have a nice watch collection, you found the right channel. And hopefully you guys all have a great week. It is Monday here in sunny Florida, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day and an awesome week. See you next time.